we are going to see about business analysis framework. What is business analysis framework? To design an effective and efficient data warehouse, we need to understand and analyze the business and its needs and construct a business analysis framework. That is the outline of business analysis framework you need to construct. Each person has different views regarding the design of a data warehouse. According to the view, the data warehouse will be designed, and that is called as data warehouse architecture. There are 4 different types of views mentioned. The first view is top-down view. The second view is data source view. The third one is data warehouse view. And the fourth one is business query view. The top-down view, which is a view that allows the selection of relevant or related informations needed for the data warehouse. That is called as top-down view. And the next one is data source view. In this data source view, this view presents the information being captured, stored, and managed by the operational systems. And the third view is data warehouse view. This view includes the fact tables and dimension tables, which represents the information stored inside the data warehouse. And the fourth view is business query view, which means it is a view that the data from the viewpoint of the end users. Here comes the data warehouse architecture. So this is the architecture of data warehouse, which consists of 3 parts. The first is data warehouse staging part, or the staging layer. And the second one is data warehouse layer. And the third one is presentation layer. Here it comes the staging layer. And this is the data warehouse layer. And this is the presentation layer. In this staging layer, the data from different sources are extracted and then cleansed. After cleaning the data according to the user requirements, it gets transformed and then it is loaded into the data warehouse by using a load manager. And the data warehouse where the data is getting loaded, that data warehouse consists of 3 parts. They are metadata, that is metadata, summary data, raw data. Metadata is the data of data. It is the data of data. And the summary data is non-real-time data, which gives you the summarized content of the data, whatever you are having. And raw data is the real-time data. So all 3 different types of data are there in your data warehouse. So from there, the data can be extracted and presented to the presentation layer by using a query manager. Here comes the load manager, but here comes the query manager. The query manager will come here. So based on the queries of the presentation, that is the user requirement part, the queries will be given by the query manager to the data warehouse so that the data can be extracted from the data warehouse and it gets presented to the presentation layer. This is the overall architecture of the data warehouse. The remaining things we will see in the next video. Thank you.